Hello friends, today I received a message in YouTube that there is no vacancy right now in biotechnology stream for lecturers and professors. Any of the institute, there is no vacancy. Actually, she heard from someone else and messaged me that I am worried that there is no vacancies for lecturers and professors in biotechnology stream. I became a little bit curious how this is possible that there is no at all vacancy. So I searched the internet, and right now there is available. That is Indian Institute of Science, Education and Research, Berhampur, Odisha. There are 7 lecturer posts or assistant professor posts in biotechnology stream. Of course, there will be some reservation, and I think for unreserved there is only 1 vacancy. So it is not true at all. If someone is telling to you, you have to believe yourself and trust yourself. Whatever you are doing right. Then you have to do your own research. So I thought of to make a video on the roadmap, how you can become a lecturer professor from a student in a biotechnology stream. Are you interested? Please stay with me for 8 to 10 minutes. We'll see first step, second step, third step, and the key step is where you should search and how you should network and how you should make your resume. These are the main key points that will discuss me for 8 to 10 minutes, and we'll go through all these things. And don't forget to share my video, subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon, because I'm building a community of super achievers like you, and this is possible through you only. The more and more you share and subscribe my channel, it is possible. So help me out. So let us see. First point, why did you choose biotechnology? This is my first question to you. Are you aware of this? Why did you choose biotechnology stream to make your career? See, as per me, this biotechnology stream is actually growing. And see, it is growing slowly. You will see the growth after 5 to 10 years. Like AI. If you see go back to 10 years, there was no AI. Somewhere they were working on AI, but now it is everywhere. Similarly, biotechnology is growing. Every sector you see, every area you see. You take simple agriculture, agricultural biotech, health sector also, medical sector also, then genetic also, DNA, a lot of things there is growing. Biotechnology. It is only biotechnology can help in these sectors to grow. That's why you selected biotechnology. If you have selected by listening from others, it is good. But again, you have to now think deeply. And there is recognition, global recognition also, if you are doing well, and stability also there. It is not going to, it will go down. Suddenly it will go down. No. There is stability and there is global recognition. Now, let us build your roadmap. Roadmap will have 4 steps. First step is your academic qualification. How you should build your academic qualification, specialization, where you want to build, specialization, where you want to teach, actually your specialization area. Then your skill, that skill you must have so that you get into a good university or institute as a lecturer. Then your roadmap, pathways, your career pathways, and last we'll see where you should search for the vacancies, opportunities. First, let us see your academic qualifications. It starts from your class 12. If you are interested in biotechnology or life sciences, you have to choose physics, chemistry, biology stream. That's clear. After doing your plus 2 or class 12, you have to choose biotechnology stream in BSc in biotechnology or BTech in biotechnology. These 2 things you can do if you are thinking of biotechnology as a career. And here is the key. You must choose a good institute. How you should choose a good institute? That you can search, or if you can take the help of anyone, or I can help you out. Renowned institute you have to choose. And renowned institute means you have to appear for CUET for undergraduate degree entrance exams in all the central universities, government institute. They are involved in this, and you can, if you have a good rank, you can get into that. And if you are not getting a good university or institute, I would advise go for private institutes. Renowned private institutes like Manipal Institute of Regenerative Studies, Vellore Institute of Technology, Kalinga Institute of Industrial Technology, Seram Institute. Lot of private institutes, good institutes are there, where there is campus and brand name is there. Okay. After doing BSc, you go for MSc, and in BSc, you must find your interest area. This will be easy to find specialization in your master degree. Specialization like bioinformatics, which is growing very fast, genetics, agricultural biotech, and medical biotech. These are the specialization area that you have to choose your master degree. Then you should go for your PhD degree. That is essential if you really want to grow in your career. Otherwise, from master degree also, in many states, they have option to go for lectureship examination, entrance exam. After that, after passing your lectureship examination, you can appointed as a lecturer in government institute. These are the academic qualifications. And let us go what skills you must have. See, lectureship professor means what? You must have a teaching skill. Students must listen to you when you are teaching. That is the ability of teacher, how he or she can motivate the student to listen to him. And whatever you are teaching, a below average student must understand. That is called teaching. So that skill you have to develop. Next, if you are doing your PhD or you have done your PhD, you must publish researches in renowned journals. Next, are the mentorship. You must mentor the students to become future scientists, researchers, or anything they want to become in biotechnology. Soft skill must have good communication skill, leadership skill, and collaboration. These are the skills that you must have. Now, career pathways. It starts first, initial is lecturer or assistant professor. The next step is, I think, 5 to 6 years or 7 years or 8 years. It depends upon you and how you collaborate. That is up to you. Then you go to your associate professor. After that, it is your HOD, head of department, and professor. You become professor and head of department. This is your career pathway. This is the visibility of career pathway, and you also can become a visiting faculty to other institute. Here, I would say, if you are really expert in teaching, you will have opportunity to go abroad as a visiting faculty. That way you have to develop yourself, isn't it? Next, aate hain, where are the opportunities available? Where you can search. In India, opportunities are there. All state government institute, and their universities, they publish the vacancies in the state itself. If you are a domicile of that state, you can only appear for those vacancies. Keep it in this mind. And generally, every year the vacancies come, and biotechnology, maybe there is very less numbers that you have to try. And it is central universities. Go to each university websites and search. Private universities, sometimes they publish, and also that you have to go to. And engineering colleges also. Faculty is required in engineering colleges. Platform, in which platform you can search is Biotechnica, Faculty Plus, LinkedIn, Indeed. And in LinkedIn, you must have a fantastic, profile. That is very important. After having a fantastic profile, network with people, like-minded people, or the professors, lecturers. They are in LinkedIn. You connect with them, ask questions, like their content. Once you build the rapport, then you ask for, is there any vacancies in your college or institute, or I want to take the mentorship. These things you can ask them, and there are some opportunities that you can find out. See, vacancies are there. Where to find out and how to find out, it is up to us. Now, I just told you, when I searched, I found out vacancies available. Indian Institute of Science, Education and Research. You can find these things. Okay, here I forgot to tell you. You can take the help of ChatGPT also to build your LinkedIn profile, and you can ask the ChatGPT, please tell me the vacancies available right now for lectureship and professorship in India. It will give you all the options. Go to that. See, options are there, but you must know where to do and what to do. And it is not true that vacancies are not available. So this is all about the roadmap from student to a lecturer professorship in biotechnology stream. Believe yourself, trust yourself that whatever you are doing the right one. And if you like this video, please share it and subscribe to my channel. All the love, all the power.